be wrapped around your arms instead of being lonely. We could be gazing at the stars, but now it feels just like I wandered off into a room and closed the door behind me. I never gave the key to you, even though I wanted to. I should be trying something new, but now my body's aching. I'm tired of dwelling in the dark, it's just that my heart can't take it. I didn't know what it would cost me when I let you go. I feel alone, and I'm just singing, It should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know. It could have been you. What a crime and what a shame to let go. Sometimes I just don't know what to do. It should have been you.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chellesglamhome. Well, today I'm doing a clean and decorate with me in my Glam master bedroom. I'm adding some Easter touches. I hope you enjoy. Guys, as you can see, my bedroom can get quite messy, and I always start my day off by making my bed and getting my room in order. As I just added new sheets and bedding to my bed, today I'm just making the bed and styling it.
Wrapped around your arms instead of being lonely. It should have been you.
I recently picked up this beautiful blush pink tufted bedding from the store My House here in Australia. I also got the matching pink sheet set. This gold tufted bedding is also from My House here in Australia. I picked it up last year, guys, but I know that they still have it in store.
Sometimes I just don't know what to do. It should have been you.
I also picked up this matching pink throw pillow, as well as this beautiful Glam one, which is at the front.
I used to think the world of you, but somewhere down the line
I then added this beautiful white knitted throw across the front.
touch as time goes by. Still I'm holding on to. I know that it's
Now, a cute way I like to style my throws is from a handy tip that I've seen from Farah on Instagram. She overlaps them into like a crisscross, and I love the way they look. I then added this adorable little Easter bunny pair that I picked up from TK Maxx. Now, because I have mirrored furniture throughout my home, here I'm using a mirrored tray, and I'm going to clean all the mirrored furniture with this invisible glass cleaner that I pick up from Bunnings.
I used to stand by you. Now I'm only holding on to a bittersweet.
I placed the tray on the bed and styled it with the beautiful Glam Easter bunny that I added a Chanel ribbon to. I then removed everything from my mirrored furniture and gave it a very good clean down.
Like I used to do before.
also removed all my decor from my lack shelves. Now these shelves, guys, are from IKEA, and I gave them a very good clean down as well. I also started on my nightstands. Now guys, anyone that has mirrored furniture knows that the upkeep on this is quite extreme. I pretty much clean these every second or third day. As much as I absolutely love the way my mirrored furniture looks, it does have an upkeep to it.
Oh, still I'm holding on to you. Know that it's time for me to let you go.
These are the joys of the Glam mirrored look, guys. Constant fingerprints and dust, so I'm always trying to stay on top of it.
I hoped we were gonna make it. He promised we would find the time. Dreaming for eternity, creating perfect memories. Yeah, we hoped we were gonna make it. Little did I know that time would take us to a place where love could grow, but in a different way. Bigger than they'd say. Now looking at you keep me going back to those days, capable of keeping track of how many nights split past. Cheap hotels and driving fast, and the radio playing our soundtrack. Broken love, tequila and bluegrass.
I then started on my mirrored console table. Now guys, a couple of weeks ago I was absolutely shattered when I had a vase on this table. I walked past it and knocked it. Not only did I break the vase, but I also broke a piece out of the mirror at the top of the console table, which you can see on the right hand side.
No one thought I was
Now it's going to be quite expensive to fix, guys, so I'm going to have to hold off on that. But my trusty tip here, if you've got some imperfections in your furniture, is the good old table runner. And this gorgeous bunny one from Target just did the job perfectly.
I knew we were always gonna make it. Little did I know that time would take us to a place where love could grow.
I started by adding my Glam DIY flower bowl, as well as a pair of these most adorable polka dot bunnies.
Now looking at you keep me going back to those days, capable of keeping track of how many nights could pass. Cheap hotels and driving fast, and the radio playing our soundtrack. Broken love, tequila and bluegrass. Evenings just like movie scenes.
Also from Target, I picked up these beautiful bunny wreaths that I added to each side of my window.
From the back of your dad's red truck. Those days we were invincible. Splitting up would be unthinkable. Though at times it made me cynical. if I can make it when I walk alone. Can somebody come and save me? I just wanna know. I wanna know if I could run through the fire, I could conquer the night. If I can make it, if I try to draw the red lights. I don't know if I can make it when I walk alone. I'm not gonna lose myself. I'll be standing high and I'll win the fight. Not gonna lose myself. And I wanna know, yeah, I wanna know. I could run through the fire, I could conquer the night. If I can make it, if I try to draw the red lights. I could just stay the same or be winning the game. I'll be standing high and I'll win the fight.
I came straight through the dirt, my sleeves pulled up and my head held high. No shirt, no shoes, but a beating heart, and I made sure that my tongue was tied. Try to shut up and just put up with all the lies they told. Guess this is what it's like when you grow up. I'm feeling old. Some say it's normal when you get formal. It comes with age, what a mistake. Cause when I was a kid I dreamt of something greater, like standing on a stage and hearing all those people shout my name. But now I'm hanging low and looking for someone to blame. So
I'm not gonna lose myself. I'll be standing high and I'll win the fight. Not gonna lose myself. And I wanna know, yeah, I wanna know. I could come through the fire, I could conquer the night. If I can make it, if I try to draw the red lights. I could just stay the same or be winning the game. I'll be standing high and I'll win the fight.
I don't know if I can make the days
Guys,
go by
your
like
bedroom
this
should
right
be
now.
your sanctuary, and mine certainly is. I love coming into this room when it's sparkly clean and everything is so pretty.
Can somebody come and save me? I just wanna know. To win a surprise that you pay with this tonight. So keep playing hard and aim for the stars. Cause to win a
Guys, if
surprise
you've seen my previous TK Maxx haul, you know that I got this quote, "You had me at hello." I knew it'd go perfect in my bedroom, so I added it to my mirror above my bed, as well as some fairy lights for a beautiful ambience.
and I wanna know, yeah, I wanna know. I could run through the fire, I could conquer the night. If I can make it, if I try to draw the red lights. I could just stay the same or be winning the game. I'll be standing high and I'll win the fight. And I'll win the fight. Oh.
I could be wrapped around your arms instead of being lonely. We could be gazing at the stars, but now it feels just like I wandered off into a room and closed the door behind me. I never gave the key to you, even though I wanted to.
If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name's Michelle, but most people call me Chelle, and I'm the creator of Chellesglamhome.
I didn't know what it would cost me when I let you go. I feel alone, and I'm just singing.
If you love glam DIY projects, inspirational ideas, and home tours, my channel just might be for you.
It could have been you. What a crime and what a shame to let go.
I'd love for you to give this video a big thumbs up, guys. Share the video as many times as you can and hit the subscribe button so you can be a part of Chellesglamhome family.
I could be driving to your place, but now the ground is shaking. Could be a phase, but it feels like it will never go away until we make up. I can't be myself. I never knew how much I needed you.
So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope I've inspired you when it comes to decorating your glam master bedroom for Easter.
I could be wrapped around your arms instead of being lonely.
So until next time, my friends, I so appreciate you taking the time out of your day to watch my video. I'll be back real soon with more DIY projects, inspirational ideas and room tours here at Chellesglamhome.
It should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know. You could have been the one who made me feel at home. What a crime and what a shame to let you go. Sometimes I just don't know what to do. It should have been you.